guys are playing this magical game called Sit Down. Come on in, guys. Have a seat. Remain seated for the next 3 months. Hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat at all times. Parents watch your kids. Kids watch your parents. And make sure we're seated for the whole 3-month journey. There you go. And we are clear to go into the jungle. Everyone pick up your favorite hands and wave bye to all the people up there on the dock. Wave to them, guys. Give them a love and encouragement. Don't worry, guys. You're almost there. Not really. This anyone's first time on the Jungle Cruise? Oh, me too. Cool. Yeah, you can say that we're in the same situation. First time driving this boat backwards too, so if I bump into anything, mind your business, okay? Let me introduce myself. My name's Skipper Samuel. First name's Skipper. Last name's Samuel. And I personally like to welcome you guys aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. Now we'll kick off this 3-month journey right here in the Amazon rainforest. Look around, folks. It's so magical. Now as you're looking, you're probably going to see a couple of bugs. Now they're probably going to start crawling on you, but don't worry, those are just the fleas. Knobby dots. You go around this turn, we're going to have a wonderful view here of Inspiration Falls. Go to Inspiration Falls, because the longer you stare at it, well, the more it's going to inspire you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Go around this turn, we're going to start down the Congo River, the 6th longest river in the whole world. Yeah, you know what that means? We're going to see how far it can go. Straight there in the name. Do we have any fans of the Jungle Book aboard here today? Let's see a show of hands. Who here likes the Jungle Book? Yeah, you want to see it in 3D? Because boom, there it is, the box set, just for you. It's weird that's green though, I thought it should be blue. So folks, the rest of the skips are supposed to be throwing a party out here somewhere. I think they seem supposed to be on this beach back here. Let's take a look. Huh, that's odd. I can't see anyone. Canoe? That's a kayak. That's a kayak. Something must have scared them off though, folks. Look around. You guys see anything big, anything scary? Don't say me ain't gonna die. What are you pointing at, buddy? Oh, guys, look! At a tree and water. Woo! Gets me every time. Okay. Now what's that sound? It sounds like some monkey business going on behind me, you know. Please tell me they didn't touch my Jeep. They did what they do. They painted it blue. At least got to turn over for me. I was having some engine problems. Yeah, they must have got a monkey wrench in their stock. Okay, folks, we go around this turn. We're going to start down the Nile River. But I got to tell you guys, it rained the other day, so the Nile River's still a little wet. Nile River, longest river in the world, goes on for more than 4,000 miles. Which means it goes on for Nile, and Nile, and Nile, and Nile. If you don't believe me, then you're in a boat. B-O-T-E, boat. Some people try to tell me it's B-O-A-T, less, but boa, and I was speaking French, I can barely speak English. Look over there, got that African bull elephant, but as we make this turn and go down the African belt, you're going to see even more funny looking animals, okay folks? So don't worry, I'm going to name them for you. We're going to continue right over here in the back. That thing in the back, that is the long-necked cheetah. Yeah, that spot. In front of them, those are the things that killed Mufasa. You look right back here, we got some really old horses because it's still in black and white. If you look right over here, that is how really old horses sleep. Their necks slightly bent. Yeah. He looks pretty dead. Tired. Dead tired. If that just shows you here in the jungle, you gotta be fast. I've lost it just like a shark. When's the last time you see a shark get eaten in the jungle? Exactly. Now, if you guys look right over here, you're gonna see my best friend Ina there in the back. Everyone say hi, Ina! Hi, Ina! Oh, and now we're leaving. Everyone say bye, Ina! Bye, Ina! Don't worry, Ina, I'll be around. And around. And around. I'm not crying, you're crying. Look right over here, we got 2 Nile crocodiles. Now that's Smiley and that's Ginger. They gotta watch out for Ginger though. She snaps. If you look straight ahead, you're going to have a wonderful view. No, not of me. It's Schweitzer Falls back here. Schweitzer Falls, named after the world famous jungle explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Yeah, that sounds right. If you're around this dirt, I hope no one gets any water or mist on them. There's about 400 different bacteria viruses in that jungle water. Got some money, didn't you? Oh, don't worry. Symptoms don't start for about like 24 hours. So you got plenty of time to enjoy the rest of your day here at Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom. Look over there off the starboard side of the boat. You're going to see a down plane in the middle of the jungle. Ooh, that's never a good sign, is it? I can logically only mean one thing. hippos. Now, fun fact about hippos, they gotta keep wiggling their ears to stay warm. They don't want to catch hypothermia. Well, folks, if you have any marbles, keep them in your pockets and feed them to these hungry hippos. You don't gotta worry about me though. I lost all my marbles long ago. I think we made it. Ooh, that's a first. Come on over here, guys. We got some more monkey business going on. Now, do any of you speak chimp? No, I'm gonna try to translate. Really? That's weird. I don't know why you said that. Alright. The one with the mic, he said he's been trying to contact you, but your car's extended warranty. Weird though, that's a boat. Makes no sense. Hey, look right over here. We got some crates, we got some more chimps, and oh, some cute little butterflies. Now, fun fact about butterflies, they're not what they used to be. Caterpillars, yeah. Alright, look straight ahead, you are going to see the 8th wonder of the world, the moment everyone's been waiting for, the real reason everybody's here today. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Now put your heads together for this word. It's the that's amazing, folks. Do me a favor, though, when you go home tonight, don't try to look at the backside of water, because you probably just hit your heads on the faucet. To go around here, we're going to start down the Mekong River here in the heart of Cambodia. Shirley, is that you? Folks, you look right over here on the starboard side of the boat again. You're going to see a big old head. That's my friend Shirley. Everyone say, hi, Shirley.
Hi, Shirley.
I guess that makes this Shirley's Temple. I guess we're going in. Never learned how to do a U-turn on this one-way riverboat. Ooh, I got to tell you, folks, I'm scared of the dark, so we'll be closing my eyes. So you guys keep your eyes open, okay? Good luck. Let's see a show of hands. Who's not here? I meant physically, not mentally, okay? Me neither. I mean, folks, look around, you're going to see that we are now surrounded by all these Indian elephants, so don't worry, go ahead and take all the pictures you want. They're all decent. They all have their trunks on. Oh, except that one! That major one. Now, people keep trying to tell me there's water coming out of their nose, but it's not. Oh, what a rare sight. 2 baby elephants playing under a full moon. Now, usually that's pretty hard to see in the middle of the day. Let's see if we can get through here without getting a shower. Now, George, I already took my shower this month. Don't be doing that. Frank, don't you be doing it now. Okay, I think we're good. Well, folks, now we are getting ready for the scariest and most dangerous part of this whole 3-month cruise. The return to civilization. You know, I don't know about you folks, the last 3 months, whew, they seem to fly by. They felt like about 10 minutes. But you know what they say, time flies when you're having fun. Now, if you did have fun, remember, my name is Skipper Samuel, and this has been the world famous Jungle Cruise. If you didn't have fun, then my name is Paula, and this has been Pirates of the Caribbean. Fun fact. Now, until we pulled the dock, I need everyone to remain seated because honestly, legs out of the boat at all times. But folks, thank you so much. You've been such a wonderful crew for me today. I got to admit, of all the cruises in my entire career, this one's definitely got to be by far, hands down, the most recent. Every time I say it too. Now, folks, if you look right over here towards the dock, you are going to see we have 2 docks here in the jungle. One on the right, one on the left. We like to refer to that as a paradox. If you look up there on the dock, you're going to see those 2 people in khaki. We like to call that a pair of dorks. Now, if you really look up there, you're going to see that teal box with gold trim. That's for questions, comments, concerns, issues. Looks like a trash can because it is. Now, folks, if you ever come back to Old Tragic Kingdom and you want to come back and save me, I mean see me, I'd appreciate it. Remember, Skipper Samuel is spelled H-E-L-P space M-E. The cry for help is silent, but it's there. Oh, it's there. Alright, folks, we're going to slowly move up here, guys. Now, watch your elbows. Make sure all the elbows are tucked in. The dock's very hard to replace. So we don't want you feeling any unnecessary peer pressure. But we'll leave you guys with the same wise words of wisdom that my parents told me when I turned 17. They said, Skipper Samuel, they said, you're great and you're amazing. But the free ride is now over. So I'm going to need you to pack up all your personal belongings and get out. Watch your heads, watch your steps, use the handrails. That's English for get out of my boat. Everyone here in the back in the jungle side is going to exit out the back. Mind the gap, there's prawns down there. Don't try to pedal this. Okay.